Hello, hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Uh, बाकी कितने लोग ज्वाइन हुए हैं?
पार्टिसिपेंट। हाँ, sir. मैं अकेला ही दिख रहा हूँ सर। पार्टिसिपेंट में एक ही हूँ।
ओके, क्या बात है। ठीक है. Now I have to start the chapter. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. बढ़िया. So we have to start with services marketing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And what do you understand by services marketing? How many people are there? Only you.
Yes, sir. प्रशांत बेटा ले रहे हैं सर।
Prashant joined here.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
No, sir. Only blank. Black दिख रहा है, black.
Okay, just a sec. It has also joined in. बढ़िया. चलो. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, great. ठीक है. So we have to start with services marketing. Okay. And
Yes.
what according to you is services marketing? What do you understand by services marketing? Hmm?
No.
No idea?
No idea.
Okay.
सर मतलब जो प्रोडक्ट हम मार्केट से खरीदते हैं और उसके लिए जो सर्विस मिलती है वो
सर्विस.
सर्विस.
ओके, ठीक है. चलो हम समझते हैं. Now, how do you define a service? Fine. The production of an essentially intangible benefit, either in its own right or as a significant element of a tangible product. मतलब हम products खरीदते हैं तो उसके साथ जो attached service होती है, which is actually an intangible benefit, which through some form of exchange satisfies an identified need. In the sense कि हमने अभी बारिश हो रही है, हमने छाता खरीदा. छाता is the product, tangible product. ठीक है? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. And छाता हमारा क्या नीड को satisfy करता है?
बारिश से बचाता है हमें,
It
गीले
saves
होने
us
से।
from rain. So saving from rain is a service, which is an intangible benefit, which is being provided by the tangible product. Okay?
Yeah.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
what is service. And the marketing of these type of services, क्योंकि जब हम छाता बेचते हैं तो हम क्या प्रमोट करते हैं? छाता को प्रमोट करते हैं या सर्विस को प्रमोट करते हैं?
सर्विस को प्रमोट करते हैं।
सर्विस को प्रमोट करते हैं. करेक्ट. हम क्या बोलते हैं
हाँ.
कि सर ये छाता अगर आप लेते हो तो आपको बिल्कुल भी बारिश से गीलापन नहीं महसूस होगा. इट इज गोइंग टू स्टॉप द एंटायर रेन दैट इज गोइंग टू देन गर्मी के दिन में आपको ये धूप से बचाएगा. तो वी आर एक्चुअली promoting the service which is an intangible benefit for selling the tangible product. Fine.
Yes. Yeah.
So service is basically the extension of the 3 P's of marketing. What are the first 4 P's of marketing? Product, price,
Product.
place, and promotion.
Promotion.
Right?
Yes.
एंड यहाँ पे the next extended 3 P's are, बोलो,
people,
the extended 3 P's are, बोलो,
people, physical evidence,
okay, and process.
process.
Yeah. So anything that can't be dropped on your foot is a service. चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. So now we have to define marketing in the services concept. क्योंकि हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं services marketing. ठीक है? So
Yes, sir.
services, the management process which identifies, participates, and supplies customer requirements efficiently and profitably is known as services marketing. Okay? So basically, marketing is a philosophy, a company-wide culture of putting the customer first. And marketing is a set of techniques. It can be advertising, it can be marketing research, it can be market research, it can be product research, various other things that we have studied in marketing management. Okay? All the various P's of marketing. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So now what are the components of marketing orientation? There are 3 basic components. First is customer orientation. Second is competitor orientation. And then the interfunctional coordination. Again, ये वापस आ जाता है PEST पे. Remember PEST? Political, environmental, social, technological. So customer orientation is the social aspect. Okay? Customer orientation is also the political aspect. Competitor orientation is the technological aspect. Okay? And interfunctional, wherein all the various departments of the organization have a good tuning with each other, good coordination with each other. Okay?
Yes.
How many people are there? Nagesh, Prashant, and Kirti. Shit. Too bad, yeah. See. Now, as I was telling you, the extended services marketing list. जो नीचे के orange हैं, they are the people, processes, and physical evidence which play the major part in services marketing. Okay?
Yes.
Now, what are the key characteristics of services? First of all, it is intangible, but you can only experience it. You can only feel it. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then the second one is inseparability, wherein जो product के साथ service है, it cannot be separated. It is interlinked with that. मतलब without product, the service cannot be provided. Can you do that? A doctor is the product, and he is giving you the service of taking care of your health. So अगर हम डॉक्टर को उसमें से हटा देते हैं, तो can the taking care of health be taken care of?
No,
नहीं
sir.
sir.
Therefore, it is inseparable. Correct?
Yes.
Then the variability. Every time the doctor is giving you the healthcare service, it varies. Why? Because the doctor cannot be the same every time, like a product, like a machine. आप जितनी बार खाना खाते हो, is it the same?
No, sir.
हाँ सर.
So it is variable, right? So that
Yeah.
is the third characteristics of services, that it is variable. Then perishability. जब आपको भूख लगी है तभी आप खाना खाओगे.
Yes.
अगर आपको भूख नहीं है और आपको खाना सर्व किया जाता है और आप 6 घंटे बाद उसको खाते हैं तो वो पेरिशेबल हो जाएगा ना.
Yes, sir.
So services is perishable. It has to be consumed at that particular point of time. It is, if it is not, it is perishable. It perishes. ठीक है? So this is the fourth characteristics of services. And the last one, which is it cannot be owned. Can you own a service? हर कोई खाना खाता है ना.
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
सो हर किसी का जो इंडिविजुअल है, अगर आप बैंक में जाते हो और आपको सर्विस मिलती है तो वो सबको मिलेगी ना.
Yes,
कैन यू
sir.
ओन दैट सर्विस?
No, sir.
द डॉक्टर
सबको मिलेगी.
will take care of all the clients that he is visiting him. Can he own it to only a few clients? Or
No.
can
No,
the
sir.
client own that service?
No sir.
Okay. So this is what is meant by it cannot be owned. ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. So अब थोड़ा डिटेल में समझते हैं each and every characteristic को. So intangibility. It is pure services cannot be accessed by sight, feel, smell, taste, etc. Then the emphasis is on processes rather than outcomes. मतलब we experience the service and then we give our verdict. So the focus is more on the process. Then it can only access a service after it has been consumed. You can only access a service after it has been consumed. हाँ? आप उसके ऊपर रिपोर्ट ये दे सकते हो, बॉस आई लाइक दिस सर्विस और आई डिडंट लाइक दिस सर्विस. Unless and until you use this service, can you give a comment on that? Hello?
Hello.
Can you give a comment on that? No, you cannot. Am I right?
Yes.
ठीक है. Then the last one is services purchases may be perceived as more risky than goods. कारण you cannot see the services, you cannot feel, smell or taste these services till the time you have used it, but you have to pay first for it and then enjoy the service. So therefore it is more risky, क्योंकि अगर सही सर्विस नहीं मिली तो that's a waste of your money.
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So therefore it is more risky than goods because it is intangible. ठीक है?
Yes.
Example, holidays are very intangible. Unless and until you use the holiday package, are you going to comment on the service that has been used?
Yes, sir.
You cannot. But you have to pay for the holidays first. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we move to inseparability. ये डिटेल में मैंने समझाया था अभी, but we again go back to the details. Now production of a service cannot be separated from its consumption. मतलब the service has to be produced at the same time it has to be consumed. Correct?
Yes.
आपको जब खाना सर्व किया जाता है होटल में, आपको उसी वक्त उसको खाना है. So serving is production and eating is consumption. So therefore the production and the consumption are together. It cannot be separated. Whereas प्रोडक्ट में आपको मोबाइल आपने ऑर्डर कर दिया ऑनलाइन, आपको 4 दिन बाद मिलता है, राइट?
Yes.
But here the consumption and production has to be together. Then the second point is consumers are co-producers of a service in the sense कि consumers का involvement जरूरी है for the service to be given to you. Am I right?
Yes.
जबकि products में ऐसा नहीं होता है. Products में because they are tangible, you can buy the product and you can use it at any point of time. Am I right? And once
Yes.
you have bought the product, you have brought it home, then the co-production part is gone because the person who has sold it to you has done his job and the chapter is closed.
Yes, sir.
Whereas in the service, you have to consume it at that very point of time. Therefore, you become a co-producer, right? The third point makes quality control more difficult. Why? Because service is being consumed at that very point of time. You cannot mark the quality in advance. जबकि प्रोडक्ट्स में आप क्वालिटी मेजर्स होते हैं, काइजीन होता है, ISO 9001 होता है. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And all quality checks are done for the product in advance and then the product is delivered. Whereas in the service, that cannot happen. Only Six Sigma can happen, but that is also when the service is getting consumed. Okay, so makes quality control very difficult and has implications for accessibility to services. मतलब अगर आप कार में घूम रहे हो, suppose, and you enter an area where there is no service center, so you will not get that service over there, correct?
Yes.
So it has implications for accessibility to services. Okay. Now, example, inseparability can be overcome. So new opportunities for separating service production and consumption. Example, British Telecom call centers in India. ये एक exception है जहाँ पे the companies from outside India are outsourcing their call centers in India, right?
Yes.
However, फिर वापस inseparability नहीं आती है कारण कि the person who is attending to those calls is attending at that time. The only inseparability difference over here is that the company is somewhere else and the service is being provided from somewhere else. Correct? बेटा हाँ ना बोलते रहो तभी हम आगे बढ़ेंगे.
हाँ, sir.
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we talk about the variability part. Now each producer or consumer encounter may be unique. Every time you go to a restaurant, the taste of that particular dish will be different each time. Do you agree with me?
No, sir.
क्यों?
इस टाइम नो. अलग अलग मतलब एक ही चीज आप खाने जाओगे तो उसका हर बार अलग अलग टेस्ट लगेगा तो आपको लगेगा कि ये अलग अलग बनाता नहीं है अच्छे से.
अरे बेटा बेसिक जो टेस्ट है वो वही रहेगा.
हाँ,
But
बेसिक
जो
तो एक ही.
जो सर्विस
सर
एनकाउंटर है
अगर उसका शेफ बदल गया तो टेस्ट बदल जाएगी.
Exactly. वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि थोड़ा सा तीखा किसी बार हो गया, किसी बार थोड़ा सा मीठा हो गया. However, the changes are so subtle that we don't realize it. But every time the encounter is unique. अभी हम लेक्चर दे रहे हैं, ठीक है? ये
Yes.
एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. अभी
हाँ.
मैं जो आपको डिलीवर कर रहा हूँ, ये सेम चीज
हाँ.
मैं अगली बार डिलीवर करूंगा तो डिफर करेगा?
नहीं.
अरे कैसे नहीं करेगा यार, समय अलग रहेगा,
हाँ सर.
Yes, sir. करेगा.
आदमी वही रहेगा बट आदमी की थिंकिंग अलग रहेगी.
हाँ थिंकिंग है।
हाँ
आप
सर,
वहां
अलग अलग
क्या
एग्जाम्पल्स भी देंगे।
क्या रहोगे?
हाँ
Are you getting my point? So every producer consumer encounter is unique and it cannot be repeated. Unlike products में वो batches में निकलता है because वो set quality terms and conditions रहता है. Are you getting it?
यस
Okay. Then the second one, may be little opportunity for quality control to maintain consistency. कोई quality control नहीं है, कारण you have to consume it, only then can you give your verdict. So very little opportunity for quality control to maintain consistency. ठीक है?
हाँ
Then it is often easy to adapt services to the specific needs of individual consumers. Sir, I want my misal thoda तीखा. I want my misal thoda मीठा. So the adaptation of services to the specific needs of individual consumers. Do you agree with me?
यस
यस सर
Okay. Then we move to perishability. Now, services cannot be stored, as I told you. जैसे perishable commodities होते हैं, perishable goods होते हैं, जैसे fish होता है, which cannot be stored for a long period of time. Milk cannot be stored for a long period of time. However, there is still storage there. But in the service factor, it cannot be stored. Can you store a service?
No, sir.
Okay. So if capacity is not used, the opportunity to sell it is lost forever. आपने उस वक्त पे खाना नहीं खाया रेस्टोरेंट में, तो रेस्टोरेंट का बनाया हुआ खाना क्या होगा?
वेस्ट
Waste. So the opportunity to sell is lost forever. Then supply and demand must be carefully matched. That is why अगर आप रेस्टोरेंट में खाना जाते हो, तो the cost of the product is 200%. Have you experienced this?
यस सर,
जो रोटी आप घर में बनाओगे, उसका खर्चा 1 रुपए या 2 रुपए आएगा, वो आप होटल में जाके कितना देते हो?
10-12 रुपए।
20 रुपए, nothing less than that.
हाँ
So the supply and demand have to be carefully matched. Only then can the perishability be stopped. Are you hearing it?
यस
Because होटल में आपको लगता है क्या रेस्टोरेंट में कि जितना खाना बना वो पूरा कंज्यूम हो रहा है?
नहीं
So
सर
there is a
उतना
lot of wastage, right? Therefore, to match that, the costing is on a higher side. Okay?
यस
And each service may be the same, but the cost will differ from place to place. Do you agree with me?
यस सर
Okay. Then mismatch between supply and demand can impact directly on consumers. अभी COVID-19 की वजह से सामान मिलना बंद हो गया. So the cost for most of the products and services have gone up. Do you agree with me?
यस
So that is the mismatch between supply and demand, which impacts directly on consumers who are using the service. Okay. Then ownership of services. Services cannot be owned. Buyers are buying a process rather than a tangible outcome. Do you agree with me?
यस सर,
Inability to own a service has implications for design of channels of distribution. So you cannot have fixed channels of distribution. Can you? Service
No,
का
sir.
channels of distribution fix हो सकता है क्या? जो फिक्स टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस है कि ऐसा ही सेल होगा, ऐसे ही होलसेलर रहेगा, ऐसा ही इसका एजेंट रहेगा, ऐसा ही इसका रिटेलर रहेगा, ऐसा ही डीलर रहेगा, ऐसा डीलर नेटवर्क होगा, ऐसा होता है क्या सर्विस में?
नहीं सर,
Not possible. So now we come to the point of goods. मतलब जो services हम provide कर रहे हैं, they are themselves as self services. So many goods provide their purchasers with service type benefits. Example, a washing machine provides laundrette services. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
Then goods and services may be substitutable. मतलब washing machine is a washing machine and the service is washing the clothes. Dhobi also does the same services.
Yes.
So washing machine and dhobi are two things which are different, but services same. So goods and services may be substitutable. Getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Then not-for-profit marketing. Increasing use of marketing by not-for-profit organizations, example, charities, government agencies, then rising expectations of users for these organizations, and often their environment is becoming more competitive and the focus is more on performance instead of profit objectives. ठीक है, अब इसको यहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा रोकता हूँ, ठीक है, and I will take you through another slide. So this is what our service economy is all about. Ours is a service economy and it is been for some time. Can you see that? दिख रहा है ना?
नहीं
नहीं
सर.
नहीं सर.
Just a second. अभी मेरा चेहरा दिख रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Just a second. दिख रहा है?
हाँ
Yes.
सर.
So what is service? Just read through. ये सारा नोट्स शेयर किया जाएगा. ठीक है. A service is an economic activity that creates value and provides benefits for customers at specific times and place. Now, the questions that we need to answer over here is, how important is the service sector in our economy? Okay. I think ये वाला भी नहीं है. Just a second. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है क्या?
हाँ, sir.
क्या दिख रहा है आपको? सर्विसेज मार्केटिंग दिख रहा है?
नहीं सर, चैप्टर पीपीटी ओपन हो रही है, वो दिख रहा है, बफरिंग हो रहा है।
एक्चुअली मेरा कंप्यूटर और मोबाइल दोनों साथ में यूज कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ सर,
ओके,
अभी खुल गए।
ठीक है, 5 मिनट बचा हुआ है बेटा।
हाँ सर।
So, okay. Now the objectives for chapter 1 is, ये समझ लो, explain what services are and identify service trends. Explain the need for special services marketing concepts and practices. Outline the basic differences between goods and services and the resulting challenges for services business. And introduce the service marketing triangle. Introduce the expanded services marketing mix, जो 3 extended piece के बारे में मैंने बात किया, ठीक है?
यस।
And introduce the gaps model for service quality. So basically deeds, processes and performance. Intangibility की बात हमने कर दी, but may have a tangible component because of the product generally produced and consumed at the same time. We discussed need to distinguish between service and customer service. Challenges क्या है? Defining and improving quality, communicating and testing new services, communicating and maintaining a consistent image, motivating and sustaining employee commitment, coordinating marketing, operations and human resource efforts because they are all interlinked, and setting the prices. कारण these services are very expensive.
Yes.
And standardization versus personalization. कारण it is intangible and inseparable. So you cannot standardize. So we have to work out a formula between standardization versus personalization. Examples of service industries are healthcare, hospital, medical practice, dentistry, eye care, professional services like accounting, legal, architectural, financial services, banking, investment, advising, insurance, hospitality, that is restaurant, hotels, motels, bed and breakfast, that is lodging, ski resort, rafting, travel, that is airlines, travel agencies, theme parks, and others like bal katna, hairstyling, pest control, plumbing, lawn maintenance, counseling services, health club. Education is also a part of services. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हम रोकते हैं बेटा और इसको हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में लेंगे, ठीक है?
Yes sir.
Any questions?
Okay, sir. Oh, sir.
बाकी लोगों को बोलिए अटेंड करने के लिए, because only 3 people, which is a bad sign.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
चलिए
sir.
गाइस, ऑल द
Yes
बेस्ट।
sir.
अच्छा, बाय द वे आपको एक और झटका देता हूँ।
क्या सर?
मैं ये लेक्चर कहाँ से ले रहा हूँ वो आपको बताते हैं। ये स्टॉप कर दिया मैंने शेयर। ये जगह दिख रहा है आपको कहाँ का है?
हाँ सर,
Yes.
कॉलेज।
College, sir.
Yes,
तो आपको
see
जाना
that.
पड़ता है वहाँ पे?
बिल्कुल।
मैंने पहले
तो हम
चालू किया तभी नोटिस किया सर, आप कॉलेज में
तो
हो।
हमें कब बुला रहे हैं यहाँ पे?
अब आप लोग जब आओगे, आपका समर इंटर्नशिप का क्या सीन है?
सर कुछ भी नहीं, अभी तो टॉपिक भी नहीं मिला सर।
तो आपका गाइड कौन है?
सर आपने ठीक से बताया नहीं ना, कौन है मेरा गाइड?
अरे मैंने भेजा ना बेटा आपको ग्रुप में सब।
सर वहाँ पे मेरा फाइनेंस दिख रहा है और वहाँ पे शेखर चौहान सर का नाम आ रहा है।
हाँ, तो मेरे अंदर आ जाओ ना,
हाँ वो,
उसमें क्या है?
हाँ ठीक है सर, आप दे दो फिर।
और क्या, तो तुम 4-5 टॉपिक्स मेरे को भेजो and I'll give
अच्छा
you the suggestions.
सर, डेस्क
Yes.
रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा ना?
Not necessarily, आप कंपनी के साथ भी कर सकते हो।
सर यहाँ पे नहीं है ना कौन सी कंपनी, वो मार्केटिंग के रिलेटेड?
तो किसी कंपनी का डेस्क रिसर्च कर लो ना।
अच्छा
करेक्ट।
ओके सर।
चलो ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट गाइस।
थैंक यू
Bye.
सर।
Yes, thank you,
बाय।
sir.
હવે મસળ જુનાન વાળ લઈ સુટલે જાય છે બેંદાડ 12 વાગે.